Oh, hi guys, and so today guys, we are going to be assembling the power supply to the computer. And the thing is, I know I'm not using my headset, but I was a little sweaty last time, and then I had some earphones after that. As you know, I'm not going to be wearing the headphones, but really, this is my power supply, and you can see it's bronze. Look, bronze. If you didn't see part 1 of unassembling, not deassembling, but unpack. Why do you never record me? Okay, sorry for that. But really, the thing is, in my last episode, I unpacked the power supply, and really that was and then I did that, and then and now I'm going to be putting it into my case. Now, so if you didn't see part 1, check it out right now. Don't watch this one. First, watch it. And the real thing is that, guys, I don't know what to do. Because look, why do you never record my face? Stop recording the power supply. Okay, let's look. Now I'm gonna put this chunky thing, and I'm like, but it doesn't fit. Wait. Oh my god.
Wrong direction.
And I'm like, what do I do? What do I do? You didn't even record me. I'm sorry about the cameraman, but the cameraman is awful in doing this, and that's why I always hate recording with him. And really,
listen, you were recording a power supply, not the theater show.
No, I'm not recording theater. And then I was so stressed, but then I was just sitting here, and I was just like bored, sad. And then I looked, and I said, wait a second, and then I just flipped it over. I flipped it over yet one more time, if I can get it. And now, I said, wait a second here. If I unscrew this one and this one, then something should happen. And they already unscrewed because we forgot to screw them back. And then I was like, and I didn't do this. The cameraman helped me, and yeah. Just could you help me then? Okay. And really, now we got this little sheet of black. It's like that's like a black. Just throw it on the floor. Okay. And really, here are our cables for LEDs. In the you can see LED minus and LED plus. These are the power sockets for LEDs, because I bought such a casing where the LEDs. Are you still recording? Yes, you are, because I thought you clicked something. And now back to the power supply. And look at that big hole, freaking! No, actually, look at that big hole. Don't laugh at me for this one. And really, this was holding them, but we already untied it, so I guess I'm going to remove it now because it doesn't make.
Maybe you need it later.
I don't know. It's going to be okay. Then the LED cables, we have to remember about those because the power supply would have LEDs. And now I'm going to a very heavy. Oh my god, only glass. Okay, so now am I doing this correctly? Wait. I say wait. I think it needs ventilation. That's probably the fan goes on this side. The side we have to turn it like this. So there's one thing, you have to be like this or like this. That's a wow, the fan spins with me. That's very cool. Okay? And so now I'm going to be fixing my hair, and now I'm going to do. So right now I think I actually know now. It's really this is going to be a very hard operation. Okay, so I have to put it here, and I have to slowly go in because all these cables just get cut off. And do you know what happens when you cut off your cables from the power supply?
Hey, Mr. Genius, where do you put in the power plug? And don't rest on it. Those cables have limited lifespan.
Okay, I think I know now. You have to put it like this because the hole is there. Wait, not on the bottom. I think I put it like this, right? Do I put it like this? Yeah.
You need to look where the power outlet is. So obvious. Oh, but just
perfect. And look, there is a power outlet.
Perfect installation.
Okay, not perfect, but it'll say like good. Okay. this is wrong. You can't even put on the screws. This is totally wrong. Like, you can't even put on those screws. Like, you see?
Just keep it higher and put on the screws and we hang it up.
But wait, where do these cables go? I'm just gonna get the screws, okay? Wait, where are the screws? Okay, let's hope it doesn't turn off the camera. And now I'm going to unpack the screwy thingamabobbers. Let's unpack the screwy thingamabobbers and the wire thingamabobbers. Or zip lines, like the zip lines want to go on when you were a child.
Zip ties.
Yeah, oh my god, my god.
Zip lines in the playground.
Oh no, yeah. Okay, that's like now, to get the screwy thingamabobbers. 4 of them, for one here, here, and here, and here. And ready? Now I'm going to unpack it, as you can see. And now this is for them here. Okay? And so now I have to put them in. And so now. Okay.
So you need to position the
Good.
power supply.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
good. Come on, serious.
Maybe I'm just gonna do the bottom ones.
You need my finger here.
Yeah, okay, now pull it up. And why are you not pushing it correctly? You're pushing it down, like... You know, you're not helping. Now you're recording blackness. Nothing is recorded.
Okay, you will need to edit this video, so I will post it.
No, I'm not. Hey guys, it's like the thing is now we finally found out how to put this power supply. And so now I'm going to be putting this screw. And you're gonna be wondering why I'm screwing with my fingers, because if it's on the manual, you should screw with your fingers. You know, I feel like the real job is with a screwdriver. No, I'm missing the cut. Hey, don't stop the people. That's it, I got the screwdriver. Whoa, this is very strong. You have to really screw hard.
I think you took a wrong screw, man.
Of course I did.
I mean, wrong screwdriver. Somebody told you won 3,000 zloty.
That's good. I'm a rich man.
I wonder if this Edward is recording now.